Hello guys, it's Marina and today I have a really fun experiment for you. I'm gonna tell you about myself in English, but each time I'll be limited to a certain number of words. 1,000, 3,000, 6,000, and 10 plus thousand. Why does it matter? Because your vocabulary size totally changes how you can express yourself in a foreign language. So what's your level? Let me know down in the comments below, and this video will also help you assess your level. Let's quickly break down what these numbers mean. 1,000 words is actually still A1 level. 1,000 sounds a lot, but this is kind of basic vocabulary. It's enough for survival, travel, and simple conversations. 3,000 words is about a year of studying English. You can have everyday conversations and understand around 85% of movies and shows if they're simple, like comedies. Knowing 6,000 words in English puts you into an upper intermediate level, and you need at least 2 or 3 years of actively learning English to learn those words, and then you can understand newspapers and almost everything in movies and on YouTube. With 10,000 words in your vocabulary, you're advanced, and it's at least 5 years or more of learning English, but then you're fluent. You can express all the little details and nuances. Now, the average English native speaker knows from 15,000 to 20,000 words. But for daily life, 6,000 to 8,000 is enough. Okay, let's start. Let the challenge begin. Level 1, 1,000 words. My name is Marina. I am from Russia. I live in the USA. I am 35 years old. I like dogs and coffee. I work on YouTube. I make YouTube videos. I'm happy today. I have a family. I have a husband. I have 2 daughters. I like to travel. I like to read books. I moved to the USA because I wanted to start a company. More things about me, I cannot say more with 1,000 words. Let's move on to the level 2. 3,000 words. I can be a little bit more flexible with my vocabulary. I can talk more about my ambition and self-development. I grew up in St. Petersburg. When I was a kid, I dreamed about traveling the world. I studied at a university in Russia. After I started my company, I moved to California. Now I live in Los Altos Hills, run my own company, and make videos on YouTube. I love meeting new people and learning new things. I started my YouTube channel because I wanted to help others learn English. I wanted to help people. I like to work with people. So with just 2,000 to 3,000 words, you can handle everyday conversations with ease. That's what we call the intermediate level. But if you want to move beyond that and start expressing yourself more naturally and confidently, that's where the real growth happens. That's exactly why we created our Intermediate to Advanced course. It's a 7-week program designed to help you reach that next level fast. You'll get 40 power-packed lessons, practical homework, you'll learn advanced vocabulary, you'll get clear explanations for tricky grammar, and even pronunciation practice. In those 7 weeks, you will actively be working on your grammar from articles and tenses to the passive voice and conditionals. You will work on expanding your vocabulary with modern advanced expressions that everyone around the world will understand. You will practice to speak confidently and fluently, free of hesitation and embarrassment. Finally, my goal with that course is for you to feel at ease communicating in English. I want you to have this mindset that no one's judging you. Everybody just wants to learn who you are and what you have to say. So if you're ready to take your English to the next level, click the link below and join our From Intermediate to Advanced course today. By the way, if you're not sure what your current level is, we got a quick test for you. Find out your approximate English level in just 5 minutes. The link is in the description. It's a great first step before starting the course. Now let's move on to the level 3. 6,000 words give me more flexibility. I'm excited about this one. Let's do it. During my university years, I realized I enjoyed solving problems and working in a team. Moving to the US was a huge step for me, and it completely changed my perspective on life and career. I love the diversity here. People from all over the world, different cultures, different ideas, and of course, adapting to a new country also means facing plenty of everyday surprises, especially when it comes to language and understanding the culture. One time, I went to a coffee shop and tried to order my favorite drink, but I mispronounced the word. Barista ended up serving me a different drink because I think they just couldn't understand what I was saying exactly. And 10 years later, Things like that still happen to me from time to time. Now let's look at how your intro might sound if you have 10,000 words in your vocabulary. If I had to describe myself in one word, it would be curious. I thrive on exploring new ideas, whether it's technology, art, or philosophy. My journey from Russia to Silicon Valley taught me resilience, adaptability, and the importance of lifelong learning. I absolutely love the feeling of waking up with a new project in mind and the excitement of not knowing where it will take me. How was it? As you can see, the more words you know, the richer and more interesting your story becomes. But remember, the most important thing is to start speaking even with just 1,000 words. Practice is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Maybe I'll try to explain quantum physics using just 100 words. Just kidding. Bye!